Hi guys, welcome back to Austin's Wild World. Today we're going to be making a tornado tube. Our ingredients are duct tape and dye. We have two colors, two different blues, dark blue and light blue, glitter, and sea salt, and two big bottles. Let's get started. What our first step is to put a couple of drops of the dye. Okay. Then we're doing another one. Two. Okay. Now we're adding the glitter. Just some. Okay. And now some sprinkles of the sea salt. And then I'm getting the duct tape and connecting both of the bottles. Okay, bye guys, that's it for today.